Hi guys, welcome to Self in the Kitchen today. I hope you guys did have a good Christmas. I hope everybody did have a prosperous and a good New Year. I know that it's a COVID time now. We all on lockdown again. So today in Self in the Kitchen we say, alright then, let me do something new. So today we're gonna make some healthy juice. So we're gonna make Sharon juice. The Sharon juice is a fruit named Sharon Fruit, but we call it Sharon juice. That's my name. I give it to that my juice. So in Self in the Kitchen we always crew up with a new idea, doing something new. So thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen and keep on support me and keep on watching my video. Give me a thumbs up every time you watch my video. Send me a comment. Share the video with your friends and family. Watch up status, your YouTube, Instagram, anybody. So guys, Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna have an awesome recipe coming up. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen, where I was doing something new. I hope you guys did have a good Christmas. I hope you guys did have a prosperous New Year. So in Selvin Kitchen, where I was doing something new. So we're gonna make some juice, some Sharon fruit juice. So this is the Sharon fruit. A lot of people know about Sharon fruit. Some people don't know about Sharon fruits. So you just wash it off, cut it up, slice it, and eat it like a apple. And then we're gonna use half a lemon. We're gonna use 2 carrot I already washed already. I ain't gonna peel it. I just gonna put it in the slice it up, put it in the blender with the skin and everything. I already washed the carrot already. I already washed the Sharon fruit already. Then we have a pineapple where I already peel. So we're gonna use half of pineapple, a piece of ginger, half of lemon, and 1 Sharon fruit. And then we have some honey. We're gonna use some honey. It's optional. If you want to use the honey, it's up to you guys. If you guys want to use sugar, it's up to you guys. Some people don't use sugar, some people don't take honey. You can drink it same way like that. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make some healthy juice, folks. It's an awesome recipe. Hi guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut up this carrot. So I already washed the carrot already. I ain't gonna peel it, I ain't gonna scrape it. I'm gonna blend it up everything with the skin. So I'm just gonna cut it up. So cut it in two. I ain't gonna cut it up too big. Just cut it up in a little chunk like that. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're gonna make some healthy juice, guys. Please try this recipe at home. So 2 carrot I already washed. So it's gonna slice them up. So thank you guys to support Selvin Kitchen. Keep on support it. Keep on sharing like the video with your friends and family. And Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So I have a lot of juice coming up. Oh, is this recipe gonna be amazing?
Yeah.
So 2 carrot. I'm gonna cut them up too big. I'm gonna cut them up too small. Just gonna chop them up like that. And then the Sharon fruit, I already washed it already. Just gonna cut it in 2. So this is what the Sharon fruit look like inside of it. It's quite sweet. Just slice it up. Cut up the Sharon fruit. So I'm gonna use 1 Sharon fruit, half of a pineapple, we'll slice up the pineapple. So as I was saying before, it's optional. If you guys want to use honey, if you guys want to use sugar, it's up to you guys. And if you don't want to use honey or sugar, you can have it like that. I already washed the ginger already. So I'm just going to use a small piece of ginger. So I ain't going to peel the ginger, I'm just going to scrape it. Get a spoon and scrape off the skin of the ginger. So when you peel the ginger, you waste a lot of the ginger. So just get a spoon and just scrape it like that. Just cut off this piece. Scrape the ginger. You see? When you scrape it, everything come off just like that. So you know, in Sylvan Kitchen, we always have something new doing. Let's get off this piece. So we're just gonna cut it up. I'm gonna use 1.5 liter of water. This piece I already washed it already, so I can just put it up in the skin, so it's no problem. Half of a lemon. So guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add in the cut up carrot, the cut up Sharon Fruit, the pineapple and the ginger. I'm just gonna add it in the blender. It's the first time I'm using this blender. So I'm just gonna add in everything. So I added the ginger, the pineapple, the carrot, the Sharon fruits. So the lemon, I'm just gonna put in the lemon last. Then just squeeze in the lemon when I'm mixing it. So I'm just gonna add in everything together. We're gonna add in a liter of water. Then I'm gonna put in another half liter of water. That's that. Gonna put on the lid. Make sure you close it properly. So right there, add in the carrot, the Sharon fruits, the ginger, and the pineapple. So I'm just gonna blend it up now.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just.
So guys, I just blend up the pine and the ginger and the Sharon fruit and the carrot together. So I'm just gonna hop in and check it out. Oh my god, look at that people. That look beautiful already. So now I'm just gonna strain it off. Because Marissa is here. Marissa cannot wait to have some of it. So what I said before is optional. If you want to put sugar, it's up to you guys. If you want to put honey, it's up to you guys. If you're going to put no sugar at all, you can strain it off and drink it same way. This is a healthy juice in Sylvan Kitchen, because we're always doing something new. And thank you guys to watching Sylvan Kitchen video. Keep on support me. Keep on share the video with your WhatsApp status, your YouTube, your Instagram, and share it with your friends at home. Share it with your family at home. Sylvan Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Hi guys, so I just blend up the carrot and the ginger and the pineapple and the Sharon fruits. So I'm just gonna strain it off now. So but first thing I do, I'm gonna use a big strainer, and then after I'm gonna use the second strainer if it need. So now I'm just gonna pour it out in the small strainer. It's quite thick. So if you pour it out like that and you don't want to run freely in the strainer, I just use a spoon or a wooden spoon. Just do it like that. So everything with us will go out slowly. You just have to have a little patience, but it's quite thick. You can add a little bit more water to it if you don't like it too thick. I like it a little bit watery. It's up to you guys. But I like it thick, make it so it tastes so nice when you get that extra strength in it when it's so thick.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away.
So guys, I'm just squeezing out everything out of the with the strainer. Just squeeze it down with a spoon, like what I said before, and then you get out everything. So that's that. Next one in. I'll just try and get out everything out of that. So guys, I just used the big strainer to strain it off. So now we're gonna use the small strainer to strain it off. Just want to make sure there's nothing in it. That looked perfect. That's perfect. Look at that. I just get that out of it. So that is perfect, guys. So now I'm just gonna add in some honey, around 3 tablespoons of honey. And I pour all of that out. I don't want it too sweet. Give it a stir. So I want to mix in all of that honey. You can smell like ginger. If you don't want to put ginger in it, it's up to you guys. It's up to you. You can put ginger in it. So like some people don't like ginger. Or you can just put a small piece of ginger. Just gonna put a little bit in my hand to taste it. That's perfect. I don't want it too sweet. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're making healthy juice, Sharon juice, guys. We buy the Sharon Fruit, so I name it myself, Sharon Juice. So guys, so Marissa is here. She said she want to squeeze the lemon, so Marissa gonna squeeze it. Come on, Marissa, put a little muscle in it. You want to help you? I'll help you. I will help you to squeeze it. Come on, come on. We'll do it together. We'll do it together. All right, 1, 2, 3. Down you go. So we'll squeeze it together. All right, watch your finger. All right, let me finish it. So put in half of lemon. Marissa says she want to squeeze it, so give it a go again, Marissa. All right, you get out all of that juice. So Marissa is mixing it.
Mommy said she's.
Hi guys, this is all finished. This is Selvin Healthy Juice. So this juice name is Sharon Juice because I use just Sharon Fruit. So this is the Sharon Fruits. I think it comes from South America. So in Selvin Kitchen, where I was doing something new. So half a pineapple, 2 carrots, piece of ginger, half a lemon, and some honey. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. So thank you people for watching. So I will see you guys in the next video, and please keep safe. Selvin Kitchen.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care